In this video, I'm going to break down what I think is the easiest and fastest way to make sales online with the knowledge that's already in your head. I'm going to break this down into 3 easy to follow parts, and if you implement it, you'll be able to make over $6,000 per week, just like I do. And if you're one of those people that says, hey, I know this worked for you, but it'll never happen for me, well, I was just like you. When I first got started, I lost my job during the pandemic. Within a few short months, I lost all my 401k, all my savings, our car got repoed, and we eventually got evicted and thrown out on the streets. Not only did I need to learn how to make money, but I needed to learn how to make money very fast. Mind you, I'm a father and a husband, and me and my wife were thrown out with 5 kids. We ended up sleeping in our car. I had to beg family and friends to give me money for storage and a U-Haul until I figured things out. And during that time, I stumbled across digital marketing, and it has changed me and my family's life. If you want to know more about my story and how I came from nothing, you can check out this video right here where I go more in depth and I show you how to turn a business literally from scratch with nothing. But anyway, I end up grossing over $3 million today in sales revenue selling digital products and services. So now I put out content just like this to help people like you learn about digital marketing so that you can leave your 9-to-5 job and replace it with infinite passive income selling and creating digital products and services. Now, over the course of 7 years, I've created every single digital product that you can think of. But out of all of those digital products, there's one that stands out far from the rest. And in my opinion, it's the easiest and fastest one to get started with. And that digital product is online workshops and/or challenges. In fact, if I had to start all over from scratch, there's no doubt in my mind that I would start off using an online workshop or a challenge. First, I would survey my existing email list to figure out what their pain points are, and then I would create online workshops around the pain points and the solutions to those problems. And after about doing 3 to 6 workshops, I would look at the data and see which one is performing the best, as well as selling the best, and then I would go all in with just improving and making that workshop better. Not only that, I make sure I record all of the online workshops during that process so that whichever one end up being the best, I have the recording for it so that I can sell that same workshop over and over to create infinite passive income. With that being said, here is my 3-part framework so that you can create your own online workshop and create passive income doing it. And if you're like how I was in the beginning and you're saying, Ronnie, but I don't have an email list, then what you want to do is go down in my YouTube description and check out my email list building funnel down below this video in the YouTube description. Okay, let's dive into the 3-part framework. Step 1, survey your audience. Step 2, use the feedback to discover the pain points to decide which workshop or workshops to create. And step 3, sell spots into your workshop.